If you need to assign a status to a document in Lucidchart, this quick tutorial will walk you through the process step by step. Whether you want to mark a file as draft, in progress, or completed, setting a status is a simple way to keep your documents organized and easy to track. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Lucidchart tutorials. Let's jump in. First, sign into your Lucidchart account and open the document you want to update. Once the document is open, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the menu area. Click those lines, then choose Files from the menu options. This is where you can access document-related settings and details. Next, locate the status field. You may need to scan the document information panel or file settings to find it. When you see the status option, click the drop-down menu next to it. Lucidchart will show you the available status choices. From here, select the status that best matches your document's current stage. For example, you can choose draft if the file is still being created, in progress if you are actively working on it, or completed if the document is finished and ready to use. Once you select the status, make sure your changes are saved if Lucidchart prompts you to confirm. In some cases, the update may happen automatically, but it's always a good idea to double check. To verify everything worked, go back to the document view or the documents page and confirm that the new status is showing correctly. This helps you make sure the update was applied and that your team can see the document's current progress at a glance. If you're managing multiple documents, this feature can be especially helpful for keeping work organized, reducing confusion, and making collaboration smoother. It's a small step, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. And that's it, you've now learned how to assign a status to a document in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.